Hi everyone, welcome to a brand new month. I'm so happy that you are here with me today as I go through this month's Be Well VBKit. It is very gorgeous and it's all about self-care and you. Let's get going. This is the new Gray Planner Supply Envelope. I know this has been so popular and a lot of you have been requesting this, and now it's in this pretty dove gray. These are the transparent cards for this month. Usually I have transparent cards and stickers, but I didn't include the stickers in this size because you'll find out later down in the video. But I've included 5 of these clear cards for you. Next up are the transparent box page flag set. You get 3 kind of rectangle boxes in different colors. This one's kind of like a pale pink, kind of rose mauve. This one is like a pale light teal, and this one, I don't know, it's kind of in between a purple and a blue. New colors to add to your collection. This was one of the first sneaks I revealed to all of you, 2 washi tapes. This pattern is my favorite. It is a Terrazzo pattern. You see a lot of tile in this kind of print, and this, I don't know what to call it, so I'm just calling it lines with a kind of pastel wash background. Now it's sticker time. When I revealed like the sneak for it the other day, a lot of you loved the stickers and you were so excited to get more stickers, so that makes me really happy, especially when my beginnings were a sticker shop. So of course you're gonna get the sticker book, the VB sticker book. Don't you love that silver foil? I haven't done silver foil. I don't even remember, but I really like how it pairs with these very calming, subtle colors. I really like how this turned out. Okay, so that's the sticker book that we have every month, and this is a new, I should call it sticker pack. So it fits the little mini deco sheets, it fits the VB stickers that I used to make, which I will be bringing back with the new paper because I'm having them manufactured. But this is just a little glimpse of, you know, what you'll see in the new VB sticker lineup, these kind of sheets. So in this pack, I have included 4 clear sheets, just like the clear stickers I told you a while earlier in the video, that with the transparent cards I usually have the transparent stickers, but I made them the size so it fits in the little sticker pack, and then you get the nice soft smooth paper. 8 sticker sheets in this little pack. This next item I would say is the highlight of this kit. It is the VB Wellness Journal. And when I thought of a theme for this month, I knew it had to be something about wellness and self-care. But I also wanted to include a product for all of us to really take time for ourselves and to jot down, you know, how we're feeling. And I took a lot of time into this. I really wanted it to be perfect, that all of us can just take the time and take care of ourselves. So inside you have like the dates, and there's positive affirmations, your mood, your sleep, your exercise, energy, self-care, meals, and your thoughts and feelings, ideas, and reflection, and a little space for gratitude. So that is inside this little journal. And then I had to have some accessories for the journal. So this is a ruler bookmark with some dangle acrylic charms on the top. So when you journal every night, I like to journal every night before I go to bed. It kind of eases my mind before I lay down to sleep because there's just so much going on through my mind, and it just lets me kind of release everything. So of course we need to have a place for our pen. So I thought of these elastic bands that go over the journal just like this. There's 2 of them, so you kind of get a cream and then a silver. And now I'm going to show you the VB pen. This month's kit pen is called Be Well, named after the kit. It's an all silver pen with a mix of light nude, light aquamarine, and clear iridescent crystals. Just want to point out that there is a new way to change your ink refills. From now, you will be unscrewing the very tip of the pen and not higher near that metal band. So don't forget near the tip, and you'll just insert your new kit pen right in here. So you have everything to jot down your thoughts and to reflect on your day in your wellness journal. If you order the paper pack, this is what the papers will look like. Of course, 2 vellum sheets and then 4 heavy cardstock papers. I really like the patterns for this month. They're very calming, and the colors, it just all really comes together. I'm really excited to see how all of you use your wellness journal. I've been working on me for the past couple months, so this kit really means a lot to me personally, and I hope that all of you take advantage of that wellness journal. I can't wait to see how creative you'll be using your journal. And there you have it, May's Be Well VBKit. I hope all of you are excited for your brand new kit. I have included a product list in the description box below, including the name of the pen and the crystal colors in case you missed it. If you're new to VB, welcome. And I really hope you ordered next month's kit because it is amazing. We're probably already sold out by now, but if you did pre-order, you are in for a really, really starry night kit. Thanks you guys for watching and always for supporting me and VB. I will see you soon.